So welcome, you're in the Coder Trader community. So let's go straight to the community right here. So this is it, and maybe your screen might be a little bit white. I've changed mine to a nice dark background here. So here at the top, we've got your different functions of the school community where we write stuff. We've got the classrooms, the calendars, upcoming events, our members, connect with people, where are people in the world via the apps and leaderboards and our about page. So here in community, we've got a few discussion categories going on, right? So general discussion and video vlogs. I will just post content or information relevant to our community members and just video updates and whatnot here. Now, for you, I would love to see your posts and comments. Now, that means ask questions, ask for help here, show everyone your progress as you're going along, and just random stuff. I don't mind. Just say random stuff. And obviously, when you start, just say hi to the community. Just say hi, introduce yourself, tell us all about what your goals are, where you want to go, and just whatever you want to say here. So that is the community. Next, we'll move on to the classroom, right? Now, I want you to start here. So right after this video finishes, go to the classroom and click on start here. You'll be taken to this. And then I'll make another series of videos starting at Welcome to Coder Trader, and I'll walk you through what to do here. But anyway, let's go back to the classroom. We've got a few courses here, which we'll walk you through and start here. Trading systems, Python, dashboards, and some live streams here as well. And also every month we'll be adding new courses, maybe even every 2 weeks, depending on how busy we get. But definitely every month. So, and they'll be great courses, very insightful stuff. So yes, we've got the calendar here. So I'll ask you to sign up to Discord in the start here thing, and we'll host weekly live streams, right? And so I'll just post them here, and that'll be premium. You'll have access to me and ask questions, get help with the courses, or just live trading. We'll just chat. So I will put that there. Then members, have a look at your members, all the people there, see where is everyone. And then leaderboards, I have a competition coming up, so stay tuned for that. And obviously our about page. So right now what I want you to do is just go to classroom, go to start here, and I'll see you right there.